Earth is our home. We live on Earth. Earth is round like a ball. It is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is not too hot. It is not too cold. Earth is just right. It has water, land and air. These help people, animals and plants live. Earth is the only planet with life on it. Earth moves around the Sun. This takes 1 year. Earth also turns. One turn takes 1 day. This turning gives us day and night. The Sun gives Earth light and heat. The Sun is very big and hot. It is far from Earth. But the Sun helps us live on Earth every day. In the morning, the sun comes up. This is called sunrise. At night, the sun goes down. This is called sunset. Then we see the moon and stars. The moon goes around Earth. It is round like Earth too. Sometimes we see a full moon. Sometimes we see a small part. The light is from the sun. Earth has water, air and land. These are very important. People need water to drink. They need air to breathe. They live on land. We all use these every day. Animals and plants also need water, air and land. Fish live in water, birds fly in air, trees grow on land. Life needs all parts of Earth to live and grow. Some water has salt. This is salt water. We see salt water in oceans and seas. People cannot drink this water. It is not clean for us to drink. We drink fresh water. Fresh water is clean. It is in rivers and lakes. People, animals and plants all need fresh water. Fresh water is good for life. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we need it. Air has oxygen. We breathe it. Animals breathe it too. Oxygen keeps people and animals alive. Trees help the air. They take bad air in and give good air out. This good air has more oxygen. Trees are very important. They help people and animals live. Land on Earth is not all the same. Some land is high. Some land is low. Some places have hills. Hills are high, but not very high. They are green and soft. Some land has big mountains. Mountains are very high. They can have snow on top. People can climb them. Mountains are part of nature too. Forests are big areas with many trees. Forests can be hot or cold. Many animals live in forests. Trees in forests give us good air to breathe. Some places are hot. These places have deserts. Deserts are dry. They do not have much water. The sun is strong and the land is sandy. Some places are cold. There is snow and ice. People wear warm clothes. Animals in cold places have thick fur to stay warm. Rain falls from the sky. It gives water to the land. Some days the sun is bright. Some days have snow. Some days have strong wind. There are 4 seasons in the year. They are spring, summer, autumn and winter. Each season has different weather and different things. Spring is warm, flowers grow, trees have green leaves, birds sing, people go outside and enjoy the nice weather in spring days. Summer is hot. People go to the beach, they wear light clothes. Autumn comes next. Leaves fall, winter is cold and has snow. People live in many places. Some live in cities. Cities are big. Some people live in towns. Towns are smaller. Many people live in small villages too. Cities have many tall buildings. Towns have homes and shops. Villages have small houses. People work, play and learn in these places every day. People speak different languages. They eat different food. In some places, people eat rice. In others, they eat bread or soup. All food comes from earth. Animals live on land, in water, and in the sky. Fish live in oceans and rivers. Birds fly in the sky. Lions, tigers, and bears walk on land. Some animals are big. Elephants are very big. Some animals are small. Mice are small. All animals need water, food, and a home to live. People and animals live in homes. Some homes are big, some are small. People build houses. Bears live in caves. Birds make nests in trees. People wear clothes every day. In hot places, they wear light clothes. In cold places, they wear thick and warm clothes like coats and hats. Clothes come from earth. Cotton grows on plants. Wool comes from sheep. People use these to make shirts, pants, and other clothes to wear. Animals also have body covers. Dogs have fur. Birds have feathers. Fish have scales. These covers help animals stay safe and warm or swim well. We must keep Earth clean. We should not throw trash on the ground. Trash makes land, air, and water dirty. A clean Earth is good for all people and animals. We must not waste water. Turn off water when brushing teeth. Do not pour dirty things in rivers. Clean water helps people, animals, and plants live well. Trees are very important. Do not cut too many trees. Trees give us good air and homes for birds. We can plant more trees to help Earth stay alive. Lights use energy. Turn off lights when not needed. Use natural light from the sun in the day. Saving energy helps Earth stay safe and cool. Cars use energy and make the air dirty. We can walk or ride a bike. This keeps the air clean. It is also good for health and makes us strong. We can recycle. We put paper, plastic, and glass in the right bins. Recycling uses old things to make new things. It helps Earth stay clean and happy. We have fun on Earth. We play with friends. We play games in the park. We run, jump, and laugh. Parks have grass, trees, and flowers. Parks are nice places. Games help us move. We run and play tag. We throw balls. We ride bikes. Playing is good for the body. People of all ages can play and have fun. Nature is fun too. We look at birds and bugs. We walk under trees. We feel the sun. We hear the wind. We play in sun and rain. Earth is our playground. We get food from Earth. We grow fruits like apples and grapes. We grow rice, corn, and wheat. We eat eggs, fish, and meat. Food helps us grow strong. Earth gives us milk too. Cows and goats give milk. We drink milk every day. Some people make cheese and yogurt. These come from milk. Earth gives us many foods. We must not waste food. We take what we need. We eat what we take. Some people do not have food. We must be kind. We must share food with others. We learn about Earth. We read books. We ask questions. We look at the sky. We look at the land and water. We learn how Earth works every day. There are people who study Earth. They are called scientists. They study rocks, trees, and animals. They help us know more. They tell us how to care for Earth. Pictures from space are nice. They show land, water, and clouds. We see that Earth is round. We learn that Earth is small in space, but it is big to us. We love Earth. We help Earth. We care for land, air, and water. We plant trees. We clean parks. We save energy. We use less water. We walk or ride bikes. We are all part of Earth. It is our only home. People, animals, and plants live here. We must live in peace. We must love and care for each other. Let us say thank you to Earth. Let us be kind every day. Earth gives us so much. We can play, eat, and learn. Earth helps us. We help Earth.